Hi there, welcome back to JD's Dashcam. Today I have the THINKWARE ARC Dashcam. Stay tuned to the end where I'll be powering this on. Well, one of the first things I like about THINKWARE is that every time they ship a product, they always have this label in here to making sure that this is the genuine product or it has been tampered. Right now it is open because I did open up the box before, and since then let's open up the box and see what we got in there. And the first thing we have is the camera itself. And of course we have the lens in the front, and make sure of course you take off the protective covering before you start videotaping, because if you don't do that, your video is going to come out blue. The reason I'm saying that is because I've done this before. The Dashcam does record at a 2K recording, which is 1440p at 30 frames per second in the front and back. And this is a true 2K. There's a lot of Dashcams out there that claim they record at a 4K quality, but once you play back that video, nowhere near that quality. This is a true 2K quality recording. And what's good about this is it comes with a 32GB micro SD. The maximum SD card for this Dashcam is 256, and I recommend you buy the maximum SD card for get the maximum recording time that you can. So we go here to the left where the lens is at. There's two options it gives you for this Dashcam. You could connect the power cord to your cigarette lighter or power socket for power, or you could use a hardwire power cable. With this cable, there's no cable that goes to your power socket or cigarette lighter where there's cords in the center of your console. It's all done with your fuse box. And when you connect this, you'll be able to take advantage of the full parking surveillance. So you'll get smart parking mode, energy saving mode, time-lapse mode, motion and impact detection. And with JD's Dashcam, we'll show you step by step on how to install that hardwire power cable. And also we'll show you step by step on how to install the Dashcam completely, in which all the wires will be hidden. Next one to your right is your GPS slot. When you connect the GPS cable, you'll be able to utilize the smart driving alerts. With the smart driving alerts, you can use a traffic signal alert. This provides you instant alert as soon as the traffic light changes from red to green. Then you got front vehicle departure warning. This alerts the driver when the vehicle in front has started to move when the driver is at a full stop. And then in the middle, you have your mount to install the Dashcam. And then to the right is your rear camera cable slot. And in the back, you have your 2.7 LCD screen. And this screen is a touch screen as well. Enjoy live views and receive advanced driving assistance. And right here is going to be your speaker right there. Right here you have your micro SD card slot. Then you have your off and on switch. Then there's some vent slots to keep the Dashcam cool. All right, let's see what else we got in the box. And the first thing we get is the mount. This is the mount for the Dashcam. So we have the Dashcam here, and we have the mount. And you simply just slide it in. Let's see what side it goes into. Here we go. And then you hear a snap. Let me see if you get that right there. And let's put that back and you can hear it again. There it goes. And then once you get your Dashcam in there, and once you install it the right way you want to, there's a tiny knob here that you could use. And all you simply is just turn it to the position you want, and then tighten up the tiny knob right there. And then if you want to loosen it, there you go. And then tighten it back. It even has little grooves to help you do that right here. And then if you want to just take it off, you just simply slide it off. But let me show you those grooves right here. Right there in the side. Kind of helps you with your fingers moving it to tighten it up. And then all you have to do is take off protective covering and put it to your window shield. Then you have the GPS cord that we talked about. And again, all you have to do is take out the protective covering, put it on your window shield towards the top of the headliner. And then you simply just connect this one to the GPS slot right here. Then this is the hardwire kit here. And this will get you to all your parking modes here. And what this does is, the hardwire kit does, is after a certain voltage, this will turn off your dash cam. That way you can start your vehicle the next time you use it. And it comes with 2 of these cables here, actually 3. One's your ground. One is going to be your accessory, which is this one. The accessory is your switch fuse that you would use. But what this really does is this is the battery wire. And this keeps your dash cam on at all times. So then this cable, when you turn off your vehicle, will turn on your parking mode. When you turn on your car, this will turn off your parking mode. So that's why you got to have both of these cables connected. And then here is your power supply here, and that goes to the dash cam right next to the GPS slot right there. And there you go. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to JD's dash cam, where I show you step by step on how to install this into your vehicle. All right, next we're going to have is the rear camera. And again, it does come with the protective covering the lens, so make sure you take that off. And it has a 3M adhesive. Again, just peel that off when you're ready. And what's good about these dash cams now, these rear cameras, is that when you have it faced outside, so say that's the rear camera, and in case there's an incident happening inside, well, all you do is turn that inside your vehicle. Now the images may be upside down, but at least you capture everything in there. So this right here, it could turn 360 degrees. Look at that. Not bad, right? That's pretty good. And there's your slot. It's a micro SD slot that goes from here to your camera. Some vent holes there. And again, this does record in 2K quality. Most rear dash cams record at a 1080p. Next, we're going to have the cable for the rear camera. This is the slot for the, let's see here, we're going to put this in. And again, we actually have the GPS cord, so all that is in there. And make sure these cables, you push them all the way down. That way they get a true connection in there. And again, here's the micro SD slot here. And this is what goes to the rear camera. And just put that in there. There it goes. All right. Then we actually have the power cable that goes to the cigarette lighter. Here we go again, connected to the power cable slot there. Because remember, this is also the one we use for the hardwire as well. That way it enable you to get the parking mode. When you connect this one to your cigarette lighter, you will not get the parking mode in there. Now, if you ever get a rental car, for whatever reason, you could transfer your dash cam in there. You won't be able to get the rear camera because it'll be installed in your vehicle, but you could simply just unplug the rear camera, and you still got your 2K quality for your front camera. And you plug that into your cigarette lighter. Then you got some cable management, which I don't use these because all my installations, all the cords are hidden. But thank you for these anyways. Then you got this pry bar. Ooh, look at that. It even has THINKWARE on there. And what these are is they're real nice, and it helps you with the installation. So whenever you got your cables and you're trying to put them between the A-pillar or the headliner, what it does is you grab this tool and you simply just press it in there, and it'll get the wire in there. That's all this thing does. It's really handy to have. And then when you're done, put this in your toolbox. Whenever you need it, it's right there. So rather than using a screwdriver on your dashboard or anywhere, you use this so you won't scratch it. Silica gel to keep everything good. Don't need that. Let's see, something for Europe. Oh, and then you get an extra adhesive pad, which is real nice. So again, when you transfer from one vehicle to another, you have an extra adhesive pad. Then you got your, THINKWARE pamphlet, because all the manual and everything you need is online. And that way you could download it to your cell phone, or you could even download it to your computer. There's several ways to do this. Okay, it has a QR code for your customer service, a QR code for your user guide, and this is where you're going to get to the website and get all the information you need. even your firmware updates, and safety information and warranty QR code. All right, now let's power this on. All right, I'm inside my vehicle and I'm just going to go ahead and start the vehicle up. All right, there it is. It's asking you for the language. And I'm sorry. And let's see, you're going to go ahead and press that button to the right. Time zone. I'm just going to skip all this to get to the main screen. All right, there you go. It's in there.
Please have a safe drive today.
All right. That was a little loud. I haven't set the settings yet, so I haven't adjusted the volume for that. Oh, there it goes. Again, remember I told you.
Rear camera connected. System will restart.
All right, kind of like what we said earlier in the box, and make sure your cable was connected all the way in. This cable was not connected all the way in. All right, here we go. And then we have the picture-in-picture where you can see
Please
right.
have a safe drive today.
And she keeps interrupting me. But anyway, there you go. And you notice that it's all blue, right? So let's go ahead and clear that. Let's take that protective covering out. All right, just touch the screen, it comes back on. And the rear camera, you can see right here, that one also has a protective cover. So let's take that one out next. And there you go. There's the main camera, and then there's a picture-in-picture, which is aiming to the sky there. Now let me turn this a little bit. You can see it turning right here. That is the picture-in-picture. All right, there you go. So if this video was helpful for you, please like this video because it really helps the channel grow. If you're interested in this product, I'll put links in the description down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, select all notifications for all upcoming videos because I got more videos of this dash cam coming soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.